So today I'm heading up the Ceunant River again. Over the last week we've had loads of rain, so the rivers are looking pretty swollen. There's a hell of a lot of water. So I've decided to come up here and check it out, and might be a couple of compositions to be had, but I'm gonna have to be very careful because the ground is really saturated, and I don't fancy falling in. So we're gonna head up the river and see what we can find. Now over here, I'm on the railway bridge, and right behind me here you've got these fantastic falls. They look amazing. I'm trying to figure a way of getting down here. It's pretty dangerous, but there's a couple of good bloody shots to be had there somehow. I'm going to try and work this one out. I want to find a safe way to get down here if possible. Wow, it looks amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm not saying I can get down here, but I'm gonna try and look for a way to get a bit closer to these amazing falls. The only problem with the shot, there's just a shitload of trees in the way. So we'll head up on the edge and see what I can do with this. Yeah, looks a bit sketchy. Oh, it's amazing though. Don't know if you can see behind me here. Got this tree on the side here. And look at them small falls flowing down there. I actually might go down there in a bit and set a portrait of that shot. I think that would be quite nice. I'm going to head up here a little bit just to see if there's a safer place to park my ass for a composition. Really looks amazing. There's a shitload of water just flowing down that waterfall there. I think I'm going to try and work my way down a bit just so I can get a nicer shot of these falls here. Yeah, plus I think there's another set of falls right behind there, so I'm going to take my time and try and find a nice composition down here. Very difficult trying to film in here. I'm on a slope, it's really wet, so you've got to be really careful. And put a polarizer on the front of this just to reduce some glare, and I think I'll put a 4-stop filter on this one. So with this, I'm going to go at ISO 100. I'm going to go at f16. I've already focused into the bottom over there. Let's try a 15-second exposure on this, see how that works. But yeah, I'm going to do a landscape here just to capture the falls here and the falls on the side. I'm also going to do a portrait because I like the tree I've got right at the bottom here, and the rock looks really good. So yeah, we'll see how that works. So yeah, I've never seen these falls before. I think when I was younger we used to come up here quite a lot. I knew there was something here, but being honestly I can't remember. But I think with there being a lot of rain lately, they really look fantastic today, really good. So I hope that works out. I can see a bit of light coming there from the sun. I'm hoping, just hoping that would just give me some light through the small little valley here. That would be really amazing. Yeah, I did take a look on the other side. Wasn't anywhere really to get a good composition. Hell of a slope there. So I'm gonna keep on the other side, opposite side of the river, where I normally shoot on the other side. So just be interesting to see really what I can get on this side of the river. That looked amazing. I hope it really sort of comes out in the image, because sometimes when there's far too much water it just doesn't work as well. So we'll see how that works. Do you know what? I think this could make a really interesting shot behind me here. I like these branches here that just got all that green moss on it. You've got this big boulder rock right in the foreground here. Nice green moss on that too. And just in the background, you've got these boulders that are on the edge of the falls there. And you've got just a tiny bit of falls coming on the right of the frame. So yeah, I think with the twisted green mossy branches on a long exposure, this might be an interesting shot. So I'll set Seb down here and see how this one works out. Yeah, I do like this composition. I really hope it does sort of work within the shot. You've got these really mossy mad branches just sticking out over the top of the frame. Right in the background there you've got this sheer sort of rock face, which is unusual. You've got the falls flowing down beside it and flowing down here, and I got a nice big rock boulder here in the foreground. Now what I've done for this, I've put a polarizer on this to see what that last shot came out like. It's a bit dark. I got a 0.9 soft rad because it's bright above. I'm really bringing that down. I got a 6-stop filter and I've gone at ISO 200, trying for a 25-second exposure on this one. Right, I'm on boggy water now, so I can't go that way. That bog's too deep. Oh, so I'll have to head back over that wall. And I think I'll go back to that composition where I was going on about that water falling down with the dark rock behind it. That might make a nice shot. So yeah, we'll head back over the wall and then see if we can get that shot. Could actually get it on a 16mm, I think. I am able to get it on 16mm, but I think I'm going to try and bracket it. It'll probably be better. Probably about 3 or 4 stitches across, I think. Yeah, we'll give it a go. One thing I must say, I don't recommend doing this, so you should never copy me. Okay, yeah. Right, I'm just going to try and focus into that tree there. That's a third of the way into the frame. Right. ISO 100 on this, f16. We're going to bracket 2 each end on this one, very dark in here. So yeah. Right, I think this is the last one. So yeah, there you go. I've done a 4-stitch pano here, ISO 100, bracketing 2 each end. Hopefully this has worked out nicely. So yeah, bit of an awkward position, but hopefully the image turned out. So here's the image. So I think that's it with this little dangerous vlog today. Just want to point out, if you do go out and shoot waterfalls and rivers, especially when there's been a lot of rain, try telling somebody that where you're going, because it's so easy just to slip in, and with the power of that water you could be gone, or you could hit your head, and you know, anything can happen. So yeah, always tell somebody where you're going. Now another thing, I don't know if you follow the YouTube landscape photography on YouTube. It's a Facebook group. They've just released a calendar which is for charity. It's the For Louis charity, and every month with a group somebody's won the banner of the month. So all them images have gone into the calendar. I think I won September. So yeah, so I'll leave the links to the charity below for Louis, so you can go over there and check it out. All money goes to charity, and the calendar's only about £7.50 and £3 postage, so it's a bargain. And there's some really good images there from the vloggers. So yeah, the link's below. Go and buy yourself a Christmas present, or buy it for someone else. Like I said, all the money goes to charity for Louis. The link's below, so yeah, go and buy that calendar. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope them images came out and that the water wasn't too overpowering. So yeah, anyway, enough of the mumbo jumbo. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.